drop it again? Okay, well, it's going to stay on the floor then until we get to the office.
I don't want to leave it on the floor.
Well, we're going to because you keep dropping it. Nancy can't keep pulling over. Okay?
Well, I can't keep pulling over.
No, because I'm in traffic. And I'm going to be on the freeway pretty soon. You can't pull over on the freeway. So you just wait and then we'll play with it when we get to the office.
What happens if I pull on the freeway? What happens if I pull on the freeway?
You're not allowed to stop on the freeway. It's a rule. The policeman says it's a rule. What else does the policeman say?
Don't. The policeman says, stop, bad guy.
Stop, bad guy. That's right.
What's this hat for?
That's your policeman hat for your uniform.
What's my police car?
Your police car is at the station, and we're going to go see it this afternoon.
My other car's not a police car.
Your other car's not a police car. You're right.
It's just Daddy's car.
It's just Daddy's car. Yeah.
What's
Just an ordinary car.
my police car?
What color's your police car?
Red.
Red. Black and white?
Black and white.
Black and white. That's right. Hey Jay, what's that alphabet song with the sounds?
Are we on the freeway now?
Just about.
For A-E-I-O. For A-E-I-O. For What's the M?
The M says
What's my word?
What does the N say?
I was flipping the C upside down and it turned into the N.
Oh, did it? Oh, that's funny. It looked like an N when the seat was upside down? That's funny. Good job.
What's inside here? Do I put my hair in there?
Well, you put your head in there, and your hair is on your head, and so it all does go inside, yep. But you don't put your hair in there individually.
Well, I don't put my hair in.
Well, your hair is on your head, and you put your head in the hat. So yeah, your hair does go inside, you're right, but you don't put it in there. Whatever. Auntie getting too complicated.
Are we go to the office?
Yep, we're on our way to the office.
Are we not going to the beach?
Hmm?
Are we not going to the beach?
No, we can't go to the beach today, buddy, because it's starting to rain.
Next time we will go to the beach.
Well, I'm going to say next summer because it's getting way too cold to go to the beach.
Why is it getting way too cold?
I don't know. It's just the weather changes in the winter.
What happens when it go? What happens when it go to the beach?
What happens when we go and it's too cold? Is that what you mean? Well, we would just be cold when we were there because the water is cold and the sand is cold and everything's just very cold. And then you might get sick, and we don't want you to get sick.
And I will get green face.
Pardon?
And I will get green face.
And you'll get a green fish?
No, green face.
A green face? Why would you have a green face?
My mama told me.
Mommy told you you'd have a green face if you went to the beach?
No.
Now.
No, it's putting that spoon on the fan right there.
Oh, okay.
That's what she told me.
Okay. I don't really understand what you're talking
She
about.
will say, was it with that? You okay? And I said, you okay, green face? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I was her face.
Well, that's kind of weird. I don't know what you guys are talking about. What else do you say when you're a policeman?
Okay, stop that guy.
Stop, bad guy. Also, I'm a policeman. How can I help you?
And they say no.
Well, you don't know. Maybe they need some help. You have to ask to find out if they need help.
But I need help.
Yeah, maybe somebody needs some help. What did you and Daddy do this morning? Did you play with Elfie? Yeah.
Yeah, I would take it home and we'll get it.
Okay. Well, that might not be a good idea because Eddie might eat it.
Or you will eat it.
I don't know why. He just does.
Because, well, how would he eat it?
Well, it wouldn't be very good for his tummy if he ate it.
You get green face if you eat it.
He might get a green face, yeah.
Would I eat a bowl? I will get green face.
Yeah. But not in a good way. We don't want a green face.
Well, we don't want green face.
Well, because it means that you're really sick. We don't like it when you get really sick,
And
right?
then last time I was sick, and Dad took me to the doctor.
Uh-huh.
And he was fixing me, and he was trying that, and he was trying to into the bed.
And then did you get better? Yeah.
I ate some fries, and I was getting much. I was getting too much there.
You ate too much what?
Something.
You ate too much something?
I gotta go put my face under the water.
Oh.
And I will get another face.
Okay, can you say goodbye to Grammy? Because I'm going to turn this off.
Bye, Grandma.